Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add custom margin in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word document, and if you want to change margin, we need to go to the page layout. Go to the layout right here, and then you're going to go to the margins menu. And if you want to create custom margins, you can choose custom margins. Okay, and then you'll be able to customize it right here. I'm just going to set it to 2 centimeter like this for the top, left, bottom, and right. Okay, and then I'm going to click on OK button to save this setting. Alright, and now as you can see guys that my margin has been changed, and I'm going to go to the preview. Again, this is the preview of the layout. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create custom margin in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.